Alright, ArchEnemy versus Let's Duel. I gotta pick the deck here. Ready? Do it!
You try to say your card effects.
Alright, I'll go first. ArchEnemy is not gonna be sharing his deck, that's okay.
Oh, this is fun.
Holy crap, this is super fast. Animation speed. Oh wait, that's okay.
This is gonna be fun. Oh,
Pot of Prosperity, I'll banish 3.
okay.
It's a tough one here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Best part about knowing what your opponent's playing.
I'll take the Destiny Fusion.
Okay.
Summon Incredible Ecclesia. Activate effect. Special summon Mo. Activate Mo's effect, revealing another Mo. Infinite Impermanence, that's okay. Fusion Destiny. For Enforcer. And that's it. That's all I got.
Yeah, I figured. Activate.
Oh, you're doing the 10U package? I will ash that. Vessel of the Dragon Cycle.
Summon.
Okay.
Activate.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to... Yeah, I'll do it now. Enforcer. I'm gonna pop itself and I'll... pop the token. Enforcer's effect. Come back on standby phase.
Until I had nothing left in hand.
Ecclesia's coming back. Enforcer, standby phase. It's gonna get reborned. Oh shit, I would have to. Summon Incredible Ecclesia. I'll go into Dragite. Mo's effect. Draw me a card. Long. Discard. Mo. Special. Attack. Activate effect. Special summon level 4 tuner token.
Yeah, I still think it's funny you had to steal my deck to be able to even have a chance.
Yeah, it means your deck is good, man. I don't know why you're complaining.
You stole my deck. You couldn't
Long's
beat
effect.
me. And
Hey, if you
after
lose with your
accusing-
deck, don't complain.
you stole my deck.
I'll activate effect. I will pop your monster. Any last words, Duelist?
Yeah, you stole my deck.
Next round. That's great.
Yeah, the only reason you're able to even stand a chance is because you took my deck.
You shared it. I don't know why. Then don't share your deck next time. I don't know. I'll get another deck from somebody else. It's almost all the same thing. You should be okay with like, hey, yeah, cool, use my deck. Oh, wait a minute. What is a good side for that? Sheesh. Crap, I'll do it. 1, 2. I'm good. Siding completed. Round 2. Duel.
Barrier.
Oof. Jeez. Probably got this one.
Oh, there's more of them, probably. I opened God.
Okay.
Open God. Oh, impermanent. Because you already know I'm holding another sword soul.
Effect failure Mo.
Set. Nice.
Special summon Incredible Ecclesia. Activate effect. Tribute itself. Special summoning Tai. Battle. Tai attack. In phase 2. Monster Reborn. Which one's my graveyard? I think that's your graveyard. Ecclesia. Should have probably did that earlier. That's okay. Dimensional barrier, okay. Synchro. Alright. Fusion Destiny. Enforcer effect. Imperm. Damn it. God damn it. Turnando. Alright. Who did you send? Ashuna. Okay.
Sweet.
The fuck did this guy do again? Hold on here. FN3? No. FN5? No. What is it? FN4? Opponent's graveyard. This guy right here. Shuna. What you gonna do, ArchEnemy? Are you finding that the Tenyi package is a lot better? Tim? Tim, you there? He's still here. What's going on? Oh, he left. Oh wow, he got salty and left. Really? Fucking Tim. He left, he's gonna time out. What the heck, dude? Really? Wow. He was gonna lose anyways, it was over. Let me try messaging him here. What the heck, man? Oh. Yeah, I win. Let's duel win! Comment, share, like if you subbed, sub if you liked it. See you guys.